hello. I rent a car. I called it 3 days ago.
Can I have your name?
My name is Nesa. Miss Nesa Putri Pratama.
Okay. Wait, give me 5 minutes, right?
Okay.
What's the Avanza car?
That's right. Avanza with air conditioning. I like a car for 7-day rental. Could you confirm the price?
Total cost in insurance 3,500,000.
That's fine. I will pay it tomorrow.
And when they pick up the car, Miss Nessa?
Tomorrow morning at 9 p.m.
Okay. Great. See you and thanks for calling. Have a nice day. But careful, if the police stop you, you probably have to show them your license.
Okay, thank you.
Ini kayaknya